Initial findings show that a Crawford County deputy was dispatched to a disturbance at 2570 Richardson Mill Road at about 6:15 p.m. Dispatch advised that a man was armed with a firearm and was dangerous. Lieutenant Owenby and another deputy responded as backup units. Before deputies arrived, dispatch advised that the man, later identified as 33-year-old Jamie Lamar Darley, had left in a white Chevrolet truck. Once on the scene, the deputies talked with several members of Mr. Darley's family, who said that he consumed half a bottle of liquor and tried to kick in the front door of their home while holding a gun. One family member said he was nervous Mr. Darley was going to shoot through the door. Darley had threatened to cut the family member's throat and shoot and kill everyone else inside. Witnesses reported that without making entry into the home, Darley fired one or two shots into the air before leaving in the white Chevrolet pickup. After learning that Mr. Darley had been spotted on Blasingame Road, the deputies left and headed in that direction. On Taylor's Mill Road, Lieutenant Owenby saw a pickup matching the description of Mr. Darley's truck traveling in the wrong lane, headed toward his patrol vehicle. A second sheriff's office vehicle was driving behind Owenby. Lieutenant Owenby activated his blue lights and the truck pulled into the correct lane. The truck stopped and Lieutenant Owenby pulled his patrol vehicle in front of the truck and recognized Darley as the driver. Mr. Darley drove into a ditch and around Lieutenant Owenby's patrol vehicle before continuing down Taylor's Mill Road. Lieutenant Owenby engaged in a pursuit with his lights and sirens activated as Darley led the deputies back to 2570 Richardson Mill Road at speeds as fast as 110 to 120 miles per hour. Mr. Darley tried to block the deputies' path or run them off the road before parking in front of a shed near the house. After pulling in behind Darley's truck, Lieutenant Owenby saw Darley running toward his family with a revolver in his right hand. Mr. Darley fired one shot toward the deputy, striking a dark-colored truck parked on the property. Concerned for the family's safety and knowing of Darley's prior threats to harm them, Lieutenant Owenby fired his service weapon at Darley, wounding him. Lieutenant Owenby and another deputy rendered aid to Darley, who later died at a local hospital. After the incident, Mr. Darley's father told the GBI that he witnessed his son exit the truck, point the gun at the deputies, and fire one round. Darley's brother also said he saw Darley point the gun toward the deputies. As I said before, the investigation into this incident is continuing, but there's enough evidence to clearly show Lieutenant Owenby was justified in his use of force against Mr. Darley. Our thoughts and prayers are with Mr. Darley's family during this time.